Hi, I'm Dr. Mackay, and today we are going to be doing the dead bug exercise for pelvic or SI joint stability. For the dead bug exercise, we are going to start by stabilizing our hands against either a wall or a sturdy piece of furniture. So I'm going to push with my hands against this chair. That's going to help to activate some of my core. I'm going to lift my legs up to roughly 90, and I'm going to slowly extend one leg down. The whole purpose of the dead bug exercise is to establish independence between my core, abdomen, and my legs or hips. So again, I'm pushing on the wall like this. That's going to help to activate my core. My leg is going to slowly go down into extension like this. I'm going to stop at about 1 or 2 inches above the floor. I'm going to hold that about 2 seconds, and I'm going to come back up nice and slowly. Important, when I'm coming down like this, I want to avoid my lumbar spine, my lower back coming up into extension, lifting up, or my ribs flaring. If that's taking place, really need to focus more, concentrate more on maintaining core activation throughout. So again, I'm pushing up like this, I'm maintaining activation here, my leg goes down nice and slowly, I'm stopping about 2 inches above the ground, I hold that about 1 or 2 seconds, I come up again, and I switch sides, and I drop my leg down. Again, I'm about 1 or 2 inches above the ground. I hold that about 2 seconds. I come up again. If you feel a clunk when you go down in your hip, you want to try to go down again. Try to activate your core slightly more and just see about just gradually getting lower. So again, I'm going down about 2 inches above. I come up nice and slowly. I want to aim to do about 5 to 6 repetitions of this, and I want to do 2 sets of this.